Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Madden NFL 26. So here follow the fixes. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, go to Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and select Properties. Now go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select off, then click on apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sony for headphones instead. Then go to Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on apply and then OK. Now launch Madden NFL 26 and check audio or sound problem is fixed or not. Now make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Madden NFL 26 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure that the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Now if you are having audio problem in Madden NFL 26 while you are using Bluetooth headphones, then right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer setting. Now right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then click apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. For solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Then select sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for improvement. Fifth solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripherals devices such as USB devices, camera, phone or additional controller, mouse, keyboard which are not necessary, and then you can launch Madden NFL 26 game and check sound or audio issues is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.